How to fix not posted yet problem. Hello guys, in today's short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix not posted yet problem. Try again on Instagram. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. On this page you will find every app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds, it will start loading like this, and then scroll until you find the Instagram app and click on it. When you click on the Instagram, now this is the app informations page. All what you want to do next is click on this force stop option and then go down. You will find this internal storage option. Click on clear data and go back. Now you have to click on this open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app and make sure to choose always allow. The next step is go back to the settings and open the wireless and networks. Go to the Wi-Fi, disable it, and then enable it. That's it guys. If the problem is not solved yet, this means that you have a problem with the network that you are connected to, so try to change it, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.